شاہ کی لاڈلی جب قیدیے زندان ہوئی، روئی گھبرائی بہت اور پریشان ہوئی، قید خانے کی گھٹن موت کا سامان ہوئی، جان لگتا تھا کہ معصومہ کی بے جان ہوئی، لاش شبیر کی مقتل میں تڑپ جاتی تھی، قید خانے سے جو بچی کی صدا آتی تھی، بابا میرے بابا، بابا میرے بابا، اب مجھے کوئی سکینہ نہیں کہتا بابا، قیدی کہتا ہے کوئی، قیدی کہتا ہے کوئی، کوئی یتیمہ بابا، نیل رخساروں پہ بینائی بھی جس کی کم ہو، عمر ہو 4 برس اور کمر میں خم ہو، آپ نے دیکھی ہے کیا
اللہ،
آپ نے دیکھی ہے کیا ایسی ضعیفہ بابا، اب مجھے کوئی سکینہ نہیں کہتا بابا، خون بے شیر سے اندازہ کیا تھا میں نے، آپ کا چہرہ تو پہچان لیا تھا میں نے، آپ پہچانو گے کیسے میرا چہرہ بابا، اب مجھے کوئی سکینہ نہیں کہتا بابا.
I must say that I was quite relieved because I've been waiting since 2 months for this day, and finally it happened. Alhamdulillah, I'm all right after that.
صل على محمد
أحسنت.
وآل
أحسنتم.
محمد.
Very much. Well done. Well done. How do you feel after that performance?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm feeling okay.
Feeling okay?
alhamdulillah.
Okay, fantastic. So, Mason, it is often very, very difficult to come onto the stage after the energy is so
I was just gonna
high
say.
in one direction.
Yeah.
But then he did take us completely in a different direction in the best of ways.
I mean, as Shias, we're so used to that now.
Yeah.
We could be Fazail in the first 30 minutes, and then we could be crying our eyes out, bawling out. And that's exactly what happened today. It was like a real majlis, Quran, and we went to lecture, and then we went to Fazail, we went to Masaib. Wallah, this series as a whole, Ashra. I mean, even just for us as judges, we were blessed to be here.
Yeah.
We're blessed to hear you. I really, so I didn't write anything down. I was just in the moment so much, but I was taking some mental notes. He did something very special. He combined two. With the beginning, I think you guys call it Abu Zia, we call it Peshwai. He started with a different kalam, and then he went over to another kalam. Is that right? I'm correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And both he carried perfectly, especially the second one. He got improved. And Mullah Nazar is going to make another point. That was correct as well. He stood up to tell me that you used the shadow of your voice, or I don't know what he was saying, but he'll expand on that. But whatever you did today, I commend you. And you have full marks from me. Full
Fantastic.
marks.
Wow. Brilliant stuff.
I get
Full
full
marks. I can only imagine that technically, Mullah Hussein, technically he was very sound.
Yeah.
He was perfect. He was not sound.
Okay.
He was perfect. He was in a spot.
Yeah.
Mullah Ali, you know, it's one of those moments when in a serious, you don't think of the participant who's performing.
Yeah.
You're thinking of the other guys because you don't know what to do. Because when a series like this, a series of participants that proving the talent with a top notch, each one of them, you get like confused what you should do.
Yeah.
We as judges, we have the responsibility to put marks, but we only have few limited marks and a few limited participants.
Yeah.
And the chance is only one or two. Performance-wise, you were perfect. One of the best, actually.
Mullah Nazar, your final thoughts.
Beautiful, Dr. Owais. حقيقة, I want to go back to the previous contestant, So he was reciting only shadow. The way he recited started with shadow, but then he showed us the original voice. His original voice, which I mean, الخامة الأصلية, the original essence of the voice, he showed us, and that's the beauty of that.
Fantastic.
And the proof is that he could, with his voice, he made people cry, and he captured hearts.
Fantastic.
The other point I have to say, it's about me and about you and about a lot of Noha Khan around the world. A lot of people think that Noha Khan, normally they don't have job. This is their job. They come and recite only. I want proof to the world that we have Noha Khan who's doctor. Me, Nizar Al-Qatari, have been accused several times, but they didn't know that I work. I work, and recently I graduated. Alhamdulillah, I finished my master.
MashaAllah.
53 years old, I finished my master.
MashaAllah.
I want people know that this road is open for everyone. It's open. خدمة الحسين من المهدي
إلى اللحد.
إلى اللحد.
أحسنت. أحسنت. On that note, guys, keep up the hands, keep up your support, please, for Owais Hassan. Thank you very much.
A very heartfelt recitation from you. Do you feel like you got what you were searching for, brother?
First of all, thank you very much. I would like to thank Shia Voice. They provide me an opportunity to express myself specifically. And the remarks I got from the judges, I'm quite satisfied, alhamdulillah. At the end of the day, we are doing our ibadat, and let's see what the outcomes.